Watching the door. I'm watching the doorway. Is he dead? Was that you, Dylan? Is he dead? Nope. Well, I'm throwing a.
Does she have a shotgun?
Throwing a drone. In the objective, they're both in objective.
I'm gonna do another thermite above them.
Oh, I didn't see him before.
How, dude? Tachanka's one shot, dude. Unbelievable. If you can throw just anything at Tachanka, you'll get it. He's behind the objective, still in his thing. I can hear him.
Oh, well, I'm dead. Jesus Christ.
Well, it was a GG, because if he gets sneezed on, he's dead.
Dylan Tachanka's back behind the objective, like straight ahead. Oh, he's moving. Got him. You got one closer to you and one still on the way. You got 30 seconds. Take out the one closer to you.
One's gonna be super far left, or at least left, and then Tachanka and OBJ.
Tachanka's not on the gun, but he's in OBJ. He's coming out. He's coming out. Nice.
Get it,
There he is.
go!
Yeah!
Oh
Dude, how
my
clutch
I should
was
have
that?
never doubted you. I'm proud of you.
Goddamn 12 and 2. That was savage, dude.
After picking up, you should run a couple casuals, you know? Kind of fun.
Yeah, all of a sudden,
Yeah,
round
dude,
4, he
died.
starts talking.